attacks Hanuman. Bharat instantly shot an arrow at the shadow, which he thought to be a demon. Hanuman gave out a painful cry as the arrow struck him. "Ram!" he called out. A shocked Bharat ran to the injured monkey. Hanuman told Bharat the whole story. He told him that he was taking the entire so that he might save his brother Lakshman. Bharat immediately apologized for his foolhardy act and urged him to hurry back with the life-saving herb to Lanka. Hanuman was back in Lanka on time. The medicine was quickly made and administered to the unconscious Lakshman. Instantly, Lakshman sat up as if from a deep sleep. Ram was overcome with relief and happiness. He hugged Hanuman and declared that he was as dear to him as his own brother. In the meantime, the Dronagiri purified the passing air and cured many injured monkeys. Hanuman was all praises for Sushan and thanked him for saving his lord. Hanuman kills demons. The war of Lanka resumed. Battle cries and the beat of the war drums filled the skies. A demon named Tumraksh was heading the demon army that day. He fought in desperation, but Hanuman killed him. Mahodar was the next demon general. Hanuman sprang on him with a thundering roar and fought ferociously. He slashed Mahodar into pieces. One by one, all the demon generals were killed. Meanwhile, Ravan woke his younger brother Kumbhakarna up from his deep sleep and sent him to the battlefield. Vibhishan told Ram that the gigantic demon was his elder brother Kumbhakarna and a mighty fighter. Hanuman led the monkeys to the war front and surrounded Kumbhakarna from all sides. They attacked him with huge boulders and trees. But Kumbhakarna was least affected by all this. Wild with rage, Hanuman gave a hard punch. Kumbhakarna swayed slightly on his feet. He instantly recovered and struck so hard that Hanuman fell to the ground unconscious. Kumbhakarna and Meghnad killed. Ram saw that his army was slowly losing to Kumbhakarna. Even the mighty Hanuman, Angad and Sugriv were helpless before him. So, he decided to deal with the invincible Kumbhakarna himself. Ram entered the battleground with his mighty bow. He then cut off Kumbhakarna's body part by part and finally killed him. Then, Vibhishan came hurriedly to Ram and said, "Lord, Meghnad is performing a special ceremony called Nikumbhil Yajna. If successful, he shall become invincible. We have to stop it." So Ram sent Hanuman along with the monkey army to obstruct Meghnad's Yajna. When they reached the secret spot, they saw Meghnad immersed in worship. Hanuman and the other monkeys caught Meghnad by the hair, pulled him to the ground, and kicked him. Meghnad struck back at Hanuman and Angad with his trident. They both fell to the ground. Lakshman sprang to the rescue and killed Meghnad. Ravan seeks Ahiravan's help. Ravan had lost all his sons, brothers, and generals in the fierce battle of Lanka. His sorrow soon gave way to anger. Ravan decided to seek help from his brother Ahiravan, who ruled the netherworld. He told his brother all that happened ever since Ram and Lakshman slashed off this Shurpanakha's ears and nose. Ahiravan assured Ravan that he would seize Ram and Lakshman and take them to his kingdom, where he would sacrifice them to goddess Kamada. Every night, Hanuman guarded Ram and his camp by surrounding his tail around the camp. But Ahiravan disguised himself as Vibhishan and sneaked into the camp. He cast a spell on all so that they might go into deep sleep. He then picked Ram and Lakshman up and vanished to the netherworld. Everyone fell into despair upon hearing about the abduction. Vibhishan told Hanuman that he was sure it was Ahiravan who had carried away Ram and Lakshman.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.